welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kasra and I am a high school teacher. Okay, so it is the weekend finally, and I am coming with a different type of content today. We're about to scoot around in Michael's and the Dollar Tree. Now, I plan on going to Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby down here is closed on Sundays. It might be like that in every state, but I want to go and check out their fall decoration items. Okay, it is the very end of August, and my favorite season is almost here, which is fall, and my favorite holiday is right around the corner, which is Halloween. So my goal is to go into the stores, look around and see what type of Halloween or just regular fall decorations that they have. I want to see all the pink pumpkins. I want to see all of the witchy things. I want to see all of that, okay? And maybe if I like them well enough, I'll buy them and utilize them in my spaces. If you haven't already done so, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on all of the social media platforms at KB to Teach. Okay, so they have these mini lights for $1. It says 20 lights. It looks like these ones might be orange or red, and these are purple. I love a good eraser. This comes with 12, and I'm sure if you teach elementary, your kids will really like this. And they have the little accessory kits for you if you don't want to put on a whole costume. This one's cute. So if you wanted to make something, you could carve this out, and it's pretty decent in size. It's like as big as the palm of my hand or a little bit bigger, so it's pretty good for $1, and it would be a really good DIY project. They have the decoration signs, which would be really cute for a classroom. Ooh, I really like this one. Oh, some glitter ones too. This one says trick or treat. This one says beware. If you have kids that like tattoos, this one is really cute. Oh, it's glow in the dark. All of the candy is already out. Praise God. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to buy some candy for my classroom now. Oh, this is cute. They have some DIY paint projects, paint sets. If you have any kids or maybe you. Oh, this would be really good for, this would be really good for students, especially high schoolers. And they have paint as well. So the Dollar Tree really didn't have anything. Ooh, that's a shocker. But I'm gonna head to Michael's to see what they got. So this is more like it. So they're having 30% off of this section. I really like these. Ooh. And they have these smaller pumpkins, 30% off of $9.99. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is amazing. When is payday? Too bad we don't get paid until the 15th. I will buy all of this. This looks really good. If this were only pink though. Wait, let's see what's on the other side of this. Fun fact, these used to, I used to hate these pine cones. I don't know why. I just used to step on them every day when I was little. And they have a whole bunch. Oh, they have a little case too. Let's see what else they got in here. Okay, so I would totally put one of these in my classroom. I hope y'all can hear me. I got my mask on. I would totally put one of these in my classroom. How much is this? This is $19.99. Oh, I won't be buying that. Why do I feel like these pumpkins should not be $20? But they're huge. They also have smaller ones. I think it says $9.99. These ones are a decent size. And they have white ones too. So they have white ones as well. The medium ones are $15. The large ones are $20 and the small are $7. Maybe I shouldn't say $7. Maybe I should actually say $6.99. But yes, I'm living for these. I really want some pink ones though. So these hanging wreaths or garlands, I love having these as opposed to just a regular type of wreath. I think I like this one. It's $29.99. Oh no, I like this one. I don't know which one I like, but all of them are pretty long. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is taking fall to a whole nother level. Who would have ever thought to incorporate greenery, green type of blue, whatever you want to call it, teal, into fall colors? I'm living for this. And this is $14.99, but it's actually 30% off. So however much that is. Oh, they have a whole little green section over here. Let me find out that green is a part of fall as well. I love this. I love this, but not for $19.99. I feel like this can be so much cheaper, even with a bigger percentage off. This is super cute. It is $14.99. So here's another sign for just a little bit of variety. This one is also $14.99, but it is really, really cute as well. I am here for it. These humongous pumpkins. This is, okay, absolutely not. Do you see this price? $79.99 for this. I'm not doing it. I will not be doing it. Even though it is 30% off, it's just a little bit too high for me. This is $59.99. I love the weird pumpkins. And these things, whatever these things are called. Are these cornucopias? Am I tripping? This is $19.99, but I love that too. And a great pumpkin. So this is new. It looks like kind of like a dollar section type of thing. They have these cute little white pumpkins. They have a little scarecrow. I don't know what type of pumpkins these are, but it's cute. A whole bunch of stuff in this little. Oh, this is cute. We won't do the party. Okay. This is actually scary to me. I don't. Look at this. This is a no for me, but somebody likes it clearly. Don't really know what these are. So, this is a really cute little section in Michael's. So has anybody ever actually bought candles from Michael's? Are they actually worth it? Because it says 3 for $10, and I'm wondering if it's worth it. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you bought candles from Michael's and if it's worth it. Let's smell this and see what it smells like. Okay, we're gonna be smelling that one. Let's smell this one. This is Snickerdoodle. It smells like Red Hots though. I don't know if it should smell like Red Hots. Wait, they have wax melts. Or two Zorbas. Maybe I should buy some wax melts. Wait a minute. Pumpkin pie, let's smell it. It smells like soap. I'm confused about it. I don't know. This smells like, I don't know what that. Hold on. No, wait 1 minute. Okay, we don't. You know what? Just let me know in the comments if you guys have tried fragrances and scents from Michaels.